I like this Audi. You guys know me, I like my R8s, especially this generation R8.
Oh, you like this one better than the facelift?
It's a little bit cleaner, but that's just me. But yo, check out this interior, guys. Look how bright red this is. Like most red interiors are kind of dark, right? They're a little bit like bloody looking, and not a gross way, but you know what I'm talking about. But this is like red. This is like tomato red, more like a lipstick red. It's really cool. I like it. It's nice. It's different. I haven't seen it before. So the reason why this is here today is because we're gonna be doing a full front end. It's like we finish each other's sandwiches. Damn it. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. The paint's in really good condition, so we're gonna try to keep it that way.
Sir, 5, 3.
Quick little R8 Clearbra project is now complete. Full front end is protected. The full hood, fenders, front bumper, and the mirrors. Definitely don't want to get those damaged since it is carbon fiber. This is one of the best things you can do for a brand new car if you want to keep it looking new for as long as possible. And since this is ClearGuard, we have to do, of course, a hydrophobic water beading test. Never gets old.
Wow.
Wow.
Just slides right off. Perfect little water droplets. So just a little bit of driving, it's gonna just slide off easily.